So in today's video, we are going to continue the exercises of Modul-1 Lektion-3, Hast du Geshwister, and we're going to complete the 4th, 5th and 6th exercises. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is German Academy. Currently, we are taking the reference from the book HALLO DEUTSCH, and we are doing the class 6 German, that is basics of German. And in today's video, we are continuing the exercises of Modul-1 Lektion-3, Modul-1 Lesson-3, and the chapter name is Hast du Geshwister, that means do you have siblings? And we are going to complete the 4th, 5th and 6th exercises of this chapter. So let's get started.
So this is the second page of this chapter. Fragt wir question 4. Leute charakterisieren, wie sind sie? Fragt unantwortet wie im Beispiel. So beneath the question are some adjectives given, and we have already made a video related to adjectives. You can watch it. The link would be in the description. So beneath the adjectives are some questions and we have to answer them using these adjectives. So I'm going to tell their answers and I'm also going to translate all these adjectives. And wrote it via answer 4. Now I'm going to translate them in English. Nett means nice, lustig means funny, sympathisch means sympathetic, freundlich means friendly, sportlich means sporty, doof means stupid, faul means lazy, langweilig means boring, streng means strict, and laut means loud. Okay, now the question is, wie ist dein Vater? Which means, how is your father? The answer would be, is lustig, which means he is funny. So now I have chosen any random adjective to fill it as the answer. But if you want, you can choose any other adjectives. Like you can choose, is sympathetic, which would mean he is sympathetic. Okay. Now, wie ist deine Schwester? How is your sister? Z is nett, she is nice. Now let's move on to the next question.
So this is the 3rd page of this chapter.
Fragt 5, question 5. Welche Zahlen hörst du? Hör noch einmal und sprech nach. So in this question we are asking to hear what are we saying, what numbers we are saying, and then you have to speak along. So we have already made a video on numbers. So unrotated film answer 5. For this question, you should watch our previous video on numbers, which of which the link would be in the description. Okay.
Frag 6, question 6. Random fragt und antwortet. In this question, you have to answer the questions given and you have to complete the chain. So first I'm going to tell you all the answers in German and then in English. Antwortet 6, answer 6. First I'm going to tell you in German. So our first question is, wie ist deine Telefonnummer? And the answer for this question will be, meine Telefonnummer ist 24 50 78. And the second question is, wie ist deine Handynummer? And the answer for this question will be, meine Handynummer ist 87 69 34. So you can write any random number over here because the number is not given in the question. So now, so now I'm going to tell you all the answers in English. And what is six? Answer 6. And the first question is, what is your telephone number? And the answer for this question will be, my telephone number is 245078. Our second question is, what is your phone number? And the answer for this question will be, my phone number is 876934, or whatever your phone number is. Bonus time! National Bird of Germany. The national bird of Germany is the golden eagle. The eagle has also featured on Germany's coat of arms for over 800 years.
Thank you. That's all for today. We hope you're understanding everything. If not, then comment your doubts.
Don't forget to like and share our video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post our videos. This is Judgment Academy.
Bis später.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.